and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef consultant. I am so excited because look, I got a brand new box of new products coming out in June, summer of 2022. Stick around and see what I have in the box. As many of you know, as a consultant with the Pampered Chef, we get the opportunity to earn all of the new products for free. And I earned all of the summer products coming out in June 2022. And they're right here. I can't wait to share them with you. So let's see what we are getting. So first of all, in my little box of goodies, I have a congratulations little note from Pampered Chef, which I appreciate. I love getting these little notes. And I'm super excited about these first two products. So this one is a cucumber mojito mix. Now I love a mojito, but I have no clue how to make one. All you do is stir a packet into water or sparkling water and add a shot of white rum or your favorite spirit. Stir and serve with ice. And of course, you know, we have our shaker set, so I would put them in the shaker and shake it up. So these come with individual little serving packets in here. How many do you get? 8. You get 8 little serving packets in this one packet. So this is what they look like. Cucumber mojito. Sounds perfect for a hot summer's day, doesn't it? The next one is cherry lemonade. Now this one says stir 1 packet in with still water or sparkling water and add a shot of your favorite spirit. Stir and serve over ice. Cheers, you guys. Cherry lemonade. It's going to be delicious. Again, 8 individual serving packets in this one little packet. Of course, you can make it a virgin. You can make it a mocktail. Nothing wrong with that. So I'm excited about that. We have a new dip to add to our collection. You know, we have the guacamole dip. This one is a garden vegetable dip or seasoning mix. So you could probably just throw this in with whatever you're cooking. And the ingredient or the recipe says just add a tablespoon to a cup of sour cream, Greek yogurt, cream cheese, mayo, or any combination of all of those. And the best part, you guys, all of our seasonings and rubs are all gluten-free. So there we have a brand new garden vegetable dip. Sounds delicious. Now, here we have a wood trivet. Let me take a peek at what our wood trivet looks like. It is the acacia wood that we have all of our other wood products that are made out of. Let me see if I can pull it out of here without busting my little sad fingernails. There we go. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Take a look at this. It is oval. Let me go ahead and pop it out of here. There we go. I'm going to leave it in the plastics so that I don't waste the time taking it out, but it is this pretty oval size. This would be great for charcuterie or a serving platter of any kind for serving just about anything. So there we have it. The other side is plain. So if you didn't want the Pampered Chef logo, the back is equally as pretty as the front. Now there is one more product in here. I can't recall what it is, so let me get it out of the box. Oh, it's a new, oh, I know what this is. I just had another idea. This is our cast iron sizzle skillet. Say sizzle skillet 5 times in a row. I bet you can't do that. All right, let's see. So this is, bear with me here. Let me just grab a quick knife. Should have been a little more organized, but I was just so excited when I got these. Today I was like, let's open them and do a video. Lord help me. There we go. All right, so this is, you guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm super excited. Look at this sucker. Fajitas! Woohoo! fajitas right here on the cast iron. Isn't this great? So actually, you guys, this is so that you can serve it like this, just like at a restaurant. How cool is that? I'm so excited. I am ready for the summertime now. Got the drinks, I got the dip, I got the platter to make some sizzling fajitas. I hope you guys are equally as excited about these products as I am. Now, if you would like to get your hands on these, be sure to check the description below where I will put the links for each of these. Remember, if you want to host a party, I'm your gal. Just reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you get these products in your kitchen for free or half price. And you know the drill. Be sure to share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. All right, you guys, happy cooking. Bye.